Good morning. On my way to Starkville to Lowe's. Get me a lawnmower. God, you should see my grass. It's knee high to an elephant. Anyway, it was so good to get home and go outside and see my little yard. I missed it. Anyway, yeah, picked me up a lawnmower today. I'm so excited. That was a good week's work, man. Listen, I've hit on something here. I've hit on something with this jewelry. I just got to stay ahead of the style game. Make sure I stay up with all the fashion. But it was good. And hey, man, I sold $2,500 worth and still had 4 trays almost left over in my bag. So, man, I'm telling you, it's a very lucrative business. Anyway, alright, well,